We have ran multiple tests on the LFP battery in our Model 3 Highland to measure its efficiency, but how does it compare to the lithium-ion battery in our Model 3 Performance built in 2019? That's exactly what we are testing today by running the HVAC system on for 2 hours in both cars side to side. First, let's start with the 2019 Model 3 Performance. The outside temperature is around 3 degrees Celsius and the cabin temperature is at almost 9 degrees. The battery is at 24% state of charge, and according to the Sexy app, it has 20.9 kilowatt hours of remaining capacity. Now that we have our baseline, we set the HVAC to 23 degrees Celsius, we turn on the seat heaters and enable the keep climate on feature just to prevent the car from going to sleep. Then we left it for 2 hours, and when we came back, the results were as followed. The cabin temperature had risen to 23.4 degrees Celsius and the battery had consumed 2.4 kilowatt hours, which is a large amount. Now let's see how the LFP battery on our Model 3 Highland compares. The outside temperature is 0 degrees Celsius and the cabin temperature is at 8.4 degrees. The battery sits at 81% state of charge with 47.9 kilowatt hours of remaining capacity as recorded by the Sexy app. Just like before, we set the HVAC to 23 degrees Celsius, turn on the seat heaters and enable the keep climate on just to make sure the car is not gonna fall asleep. Then we left it for 2 hours, and when we came back, the results were as followed. The cabin temperature had increased to 24.5 degrees Celsius, which is 1 degree higher than on the older model, but at the same time it only lost 1.1 kilowatt hours of energy, which is 2 times less than on the 2019 Model 3. That's a huge difference, and the heat pump is definitely doing its job. Go down in the comments and let us know your experience with your car, especially during the winter seasons. Do you have a lot of phantom loss or everything works as advertised? See you in the next one.